Welcome to Highwood USA, a proud U.S. establishment where something like a recycled plastic cup can be a part of a comfortable, long-lasting chair. It's not chairs to make either. They also make tables, benches, ottomans, and more. How do they get the materials to make their products?
The primary way that we do that is by sourcing a lot of different scrap materials to make our products. Any supplies, we try to recycle or reuse things as much as possible.
What's it like having the job of an industrial engineer?
So, an industrial engineer, I evaluate the flow of information, people, and materials throughout the plant. So basically that means I help analyze a lot of data and also analyze the flow of people and the use of people in certain areas.
What are some priorities for a manager here at Highwood?
My priorities that we maintain safety every day and we put the quality of the product as our highest level for the customer.
Why do you enjoy your job at Highwood?
Honestly, I like the people that I work with. You never get the chance to meet such great coworkers. I feel, that they're my family. I can talk to anyone, and that's what made me fall in love with this job.
How do machines help employees with their job as a machinist?
When something goes down, we have the equipment that we could fix the part right on site and get it back to them same day, which saves a lot of time and money.
Machines give pack sizers the right box sizes and supply foam if it's needed. Teamwork, automation, and recycling make manufacturing cool.